Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. We supply 4G and 5G routers with unlimited data plans. To get the best possible signal and download speeds, our engineers install an external 5G antenna. This is installed as high up as possible, pointing in the direction of the nearest mobile mast. We then run a Cat5 cable from the antenna to the mobile broadband router. This bypasses the wall of the building, which can sometimes hamper the signal strength. Here you can see the speed of the broadband router before we installed the antenna. It had a download speed of 2 and an upload of 0.27. Then once we have installed the external antenna, you can see that the speed has significantly improved. If you have a commercial property with no landline or looking for a cost-effective way to improve the speed of the internet, feel free to give us a call. We have 5G routers and SIM cards in stock, so we can normally get you live on the internet normally within 24 hours. Feel free to give us a call anytime.